Hi, I'm Nash. I'm a Mayvenn certified stylist. And if you're planning to do a side part with leave out, here's the process of how that braid down should look.
Installs with leave out are best for clients that are looking to leave some natural hair out and don't mind keeping their part in the same area. Make sure you leave enough hair out to cover the tracks around your parting. Braid down the rest of the hair in a straight back or circular pattern. Don't forget to sew down any ends of the natural hair for a seamless foundation.